Configuring Monday.com board settings is a crucial step in creating an efficient and effective workflow management system. To start, navigate to your Monday.com account and select the board you want to configure. First, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the board and select Board Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the board settings page where you can customize various options to suit your needs. The first section is the board info section where you can edit the board name, description, and tags. This is useful for identifying and categorizing your boards. Next, you have the columns section where you can add, remove, or modify columns to capture specific data points. For example, you can add a text column to capture notes or a date column to track deadlines. Then, there is the grouping section which allows you to group items based on specific criteria such as status or priority. This helps in visualizing and organizing your workflow. The filtering section enables you to filter items based on specific conditions, making it easier to focus on specific tasks or projects. You can also configure the Board Views section to customize the layout and display of your board. For instance, you can switch between a table view, calendar view, or map view depending on your requirements. Additionally, you can set up notifications and permissions to ensure that team members are informed and have the necessary access to the board. Finally, click on the Apply Changes button to save your board settings. It is essential to review and update your board settings regularly to ensure they align with your evolving workflow needs. By following these steps, you can effectively configure your Monday.com board settings to create a tailored workflow management system that enhances productivity and collaboration.